Bruh.
Yeah, boy. A few moments later.
What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you the exact way to sell beats to broke rappers. Now, broke rappers are the ones who are not going to pay for your beats, essentially. Those are the people who are known as broke rappers, who are known as broke artists. Now, these are particularly hard to deal with. They're not really that interested in buying products. Their purchasing power is super low. So the problem with these people is that no matter how good quality your beats are, no matter how much effort you put into your craft, your art, they are not gonna buy that. They're just here for free download. Now that's a shame. It really is, but you kind of have to look at it as a game. It's something that the companies are doing as well. You know, you see the same thing happening in the gaming world. You know, the most earning apps, for example, Clash of Clans, that's a free game. Clash Royale, that's a free game. Brawl Stars, that's a free game. All these video games that are coming in the smartphone industry, they are free, right? But they're not really that free because they have the kind of the monetization way. They have adopted a way to get through this. So in this video I'm going to show you how to actually monetize these type of rappers, these type of artists, and how to actually monetize their views, how to monetize their essentially how to monetize and capitalize on their attention. So what you need to do is the first step is going to be promise them a free product. So you want to promise those who are not your customers, you want to promise them a free product. They're not really your customers, so essentially you want to promise them something that's going to be free, so they kind of just hook into it, just kind of look, and they give you that kind of attention, because their attention is still valuable. You know, even though they don't have the kind of purchasing power, they still have their attention, which is still valuable in a way. So you want to kind of grab that attention and use it to propel your channel, to propel your name, and you want to become that kind of like a bigger producer who has more followers. So, because essentially you're going to get more followers if you do give free products. That's going to be that's just business 101. So you want to promise them a free product, and you want to also deliver that product. I'm going to get back to it after the few steps. So you want to promise them a product like I just said, and then you want to monetize on their free downloads. So how you're going to do that is just implement follow for a download. Now this is known as F2D, follow to download, and this is an old process. It's really not, it's nothing new. It has been developed like since the early age of SoundCloud. You know, the SoundCloud rappers, the SoundCloud artists, when we had like EDM, what they used to do is they would give you a free download. They would kind of like bootleg, make a remix of a song, bootleg a song, and then they will just let that song free download, and then they will ask for a follow on their social media or on their SoundCloud. They would ask for a follow, and then they will give you the free download. So essentially you want to do the same thing but with your social media platforms. So the more followers you have on YouTube, the more followers you have on Instagram, Twitter even, the more emails you have, that's going to be more beneficial for you, because it's going to tell the algorithm that your content is being liked by a lot of people. So the way you're going to be doing all this is going to be pretty simple. You're going to follow to download using a certain website. I'm not going to go through that process in this video. I'm just going to give you the process that is that you can use. So now that's not the only thing you want to do. That's not the only thing that you want to do in this. You also want to implement monetized clicks, which is known as pay-per-click, which essentially means when somebody clicks on your link, you're gonna get paid for that. They're gonna be sent to an ad, page where you can send ads. So I have a whole video on that one. I'm gonna leave that in the description and in the top right corner that you can actually go ahead and watch. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is just go ahead and create an account on one of these websites and create a link, and then paste that link on to your description. You can also go ahead and paste it using Bitly or something, and then every single time somebody's going to click on that link, you're going to get paid per click. And the best part about this is that this is now a two-step process. It's gonna actually give you followers. It's gonna give you some kind of like a monetized clicks, and essentially it's gonna discourage people from free downloading your beats, right? It's a three-way thing. Like it's giving you the kind of opportunity to sort of like tell people that I have premium products, I have ways that you can actually go ahead and pay like $20 for a single MP3 release. You can go ahead and do that. This is gonna make a lot of people go ahead and wanna download using the traditional purchase method, right? And you also wanna make it look much more luxurious. For example, you want to remove all the tags. You want to give a wave for $20. You want to sell like buy one get one free. All those kind of things. You want to make sure that you want to make your purchase link as luxurious as possible, looking as luxurious as possible, versus your free download. For your free download, you also want to go ahead and monetize. Now this is a long process. I'm not going to cover this process in this one because it's going to create a very long video, but I will show you that if I get almost like 100 likes on this video, I'm going to go ahead and make that video a full process. I'm going to show how to make this kind of like a funnel. It's kind of like a funnel. Essentially that's all it is, and I'm going to show you how you can exactly do that. And if I get 100 likes on this video, which is not really that hard, but yeah, so I'm going to show you all that process step by step if I get 100 likes. So go ahead and make sure you like the video. Now the final thing you want to do is delivering the product. Now you want to deliver the product, because if you just like promise people free download and then you don't give them a free download, they're not gonna come back, right? They're actually gonna dislike your video. They're actually gonna dislike your channel, unsubscribe your channel, and unsubscribe from your mailing list, which is too bad, right? You don't want someone to unsubscribe from your mailing list. That's really a catastrophe. You don't want to do that, and because you want as many people to like your music, you want as many people to be able to tune in every time you hit the upload button. You want as many people as possible to click on that link and then just watch the video. So definitely go ahead and you want to deliver the product, whatever you promised, and you want to deliver that. And just don't make it look so like very fishy or something, because a lot of I've seen those ads. I don't know who this is, like, you want Juice WRLD type beat, I'm gonna give you the free download. Like, that sounds really fishy, man. Like, I don't know. Sure, you can give you a free download, but here's the thing, man. You don't want to make it look so fishy. If you make it look so fishy, that what's gonna end up happening is people are gonna not people really just not gonna like you as a person, because it's really just sounds very clickbaity and very fishy. And if they don't just get their hopes very high, and then you just like, you know, at the end you just like give them like a tagged beat. So you promise them I will give you 100 beats from Juice WRLD free, and then at the end you only give them like one with like 100 tags, right? So that makes no sense. And this is why I think you want to deliver the product as you promise, and whatever you promise, you have to deliver it, otherwise you will be losing a lot of people. So that's all I wanted to say in this one, and this is the 4-step process, and that's all it is. I haven't gone through the whole thing, but it's not really that hard. And if I get 100 likes on this one, like I just said, I'm gonna go through all the process, and we'll make a whole video and show you how exactly you can do this. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.